Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Showcase.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Tuesday, December 31st. The time is 4:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be updating the chart of the DAX. This is the 45 minutes chart. We can see right here, this rally is in a 5 waves, and this pullback we are calling this as a wave 4. And from here we are looking for a wave 2 pullback to correct this 5 waves rally here in the form of a flat. So we got A, B, and then now looking for a 5 wave C. This is going to be in the 100% extension area between 12,919 13,096, in which we could see buyers again. From here we can either go to new high or bounce in 3 waves. Okay, and the right side remains green, which means that we still favor more upside and we do not really like selling the indices. Now, if we look at the larger degree, this is the daily. We can see in the cycle from December 2018, okay, still remains ideally this cycle it can reach this 13,652, which is the 100% extension. So you can label this, let's say, as a 5 waves up, and then this is a flat. Okay, so this is either A with 1, this is either with B or with 2, and then this is now looking for either a 3 or a C. Okay, now so ideally, again, we should be able to hit this area, which means that as long as we stay above this wave 4 here in the first degree, ideally we can see further upside until we hit this blue box area here to finish the cycle from December 2018 low. Okay, another sort of support that you can pay attention to is this ascending line here. Now, as long as we stay above that ascending line, so let's say we do this and let's say we retest this line again, still can extend higher. Now once we do get a break below here, this previous low, once we do get a break below this 12,889 and a break below this channel, then you will have a higher risk that this cycle is finished. Okay, if we break below this trend line and break below this previous low, we will have a higher risk that this cycle is finished and is not reaching the 100% extension, the ideal target on the upside. Now in that case, in the alternative scenario, then you can call this 5 waves completed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this sort of marginal high here ending the entire wave 5 instead of ending with 105, right? Instead of ending with 105, this could be ending your entire wave 5. So that will be the alternate, okay, scenario in case that we do get a break below 12,889 and also below this trend line. Otherwise, the primary view, the main scenario remains to be that we can continue to see support in any pullback, and this is going to be the next sort of target here. Now, the same thing can be said in the first initial risk pullback here. You can see we got a 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, and in fact we did buy it in the live trading room. We bought it here at this area, which is the 100% extension ABC. All right, so we bought it here back then, and last week, and then after it rallies here, we quickly took some profit partially, and then also move our stop loss, okay, to our entry level. So there is no sort of no risk in that way if we trade at the correct way, since we are now completely protected. But if it does a double correction, like what we are calling here is a flat, then obviously if anybody long from here like we did, then obviously that position is going to be break even, but then this is going to be in the next support area based on this flat structure right here. Okay, so again, as long as we stay above 12,889, as long as we stay above this ascending trend line, we can continue to keep pushing it higher to this area. If we do get a break below this trend line, if we do get a break below 12889, then we will have a higher risk that this cycle is finished, and then we will reassess again the situation at that point. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, we are currently still running end of year promotion. You can subscribe any plan, and you get 2-month subscription for the price of one. We also have 14 days free trial as well. I will provide the link to all of those in the description of the video below. And see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.